This is an example of a business card. The first thing that you can notice here is the design part, which plays an essential role in delivering the message of the card. A good business card design should be simple, clear and memorable so that people can easily understand what you do and how they can contact you. The color scheme, font and layout of the business card should reflect your personality and professionalism. You want to make sure that your business card looks good from both sides and includes all the necessary information. It also needs to be printed on high-quality paper and include finishing touches such as rounded corners or embossing to make it stand out from the competition. Overall, a well-designed business card is an effective way to make a lasting impression and promote your brand or business. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to make a business card for a company or as a professional. Let's get started. Before creating a business card, it's important to decide what its main purpose will be. If you are creating a business card for a company, focus on your brand identity, including your logo, tagline, and official contact details. If you are creating a business card as a professional, highlight your personal skills, job title or profession, and how people can reach you. These elements help you determine what information to include on the card and how to best present it. After determining the goal of the business card, choose the right size and format. The standard size of a business card is 3.5 by 2 inches or 88.9 by 50.8 millimeters. The traditional orientation for a business card is horizontal, but vertical business cards are becoming increasingly popular, especially among younger generations who appreciate their modern look. Once you've decided on the size and format of the business card, save it as a PDF, PNG or SVG file in 300 dots per inch resolution to ensure high-quality printing. Now let's dive into the essential information that must be included on any business card. On the front side of the business card, you should include your full name and job title or profession. If you are creating a card for a company, you should also include the company or brand name and logo. Try to use a sans serif font for this information as it is easier to read and gives off a more modern vibe. You might also want to consider adding a tagline or slogan that describes what your business does or the value proposition for customers. For professionals, instead of a tagline, you could add a short description of your work experience and qualifications. This information should be concise and easy to read. On the back side of the business card, or if there isn't enough space on the same side as the front, include your phone number, email address, and physical address. You could also add your website, online portfolio, or social media profiles. Including a QR code on your business card is an excellent way to provide a quick and easy way for people to contact you or access your website or social media profile. You can use a QR code generator to create one and include it on your business card. Just make sure that the link you use is up to date and relevant. People scanning the QR code should be directed to your current website or landing page. If you are not sure whether to include your physical address on the business card, consider omitting it. Many people are comfortable sharing their email and phone numbers but may be less willing to share their home address due to privacy concerns. However, if you feel that it is important to include your address, make sure that you use a professional font and layout to present it clearly. The next step is to add some design elements to your business card. Start by choosing colors that match your company branding or professional theme. Stick to 2 or 3 colors maximum to avoid making the design look too busy. Next, choose a font that is clean and professional. Some popular choices include Helvetica, Roboto, Lato, Montserrat, and Open Sans. Avoid using more than 2 fonts on your business card to keep it looking neat and organized. When deciding on the layout of your business card, remember to keep it minimal and avoid cluttering it with too much information or graphics. Use white space to separate different elements and make them easier to read. Also, think about the overall style of your business card. Is it corporate, creative, or tech-oriented? This will help you decide on things such as font, color, and layout. For example, a corporate business card may have clean and professional lines while a creative one may have a more unique and stylish design. A tech business card may have a modern and futuristic look. There are several tools you can use to create business cards. Free online tools such as Canva, The StakeRead and Adobe Express offer a wide range of templates and customization options, making them a great choice for individuals who want to create a business card quickly and easily. However, if you are looking for more advanced features and design capabilities, professional software such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and CorelDRAW may be a better option. Additionally, you could hire a graphic designer to create a custom business card for you. Once you have created your business card design, you can print it at home or at a local printing shop. Alternatively, you can use online print services such as Vistaprint, Moo, and GotPrint. These services offer high-quality printing and finishing options such as rounded corners and embossing. When printing your business cards, make sure to use thick cardstock paper with a weight of at least 300 GSM to give it a more premium look and feel. Choose between a matte or glossy finish depending on your preferred style. Also, double-check the alignment, margins, and bleed area when designing and printing your business cards. The bleed area is the extra spacer on the edges of the card that allows for any overruns or misalignments during cutting so that the final product has no white borders. By following these steps, you can create a high-quality professional business card that effectively promotes your brand or business. A business card is an essential tool for making a great first impression. It serves as a tangible reminder of your brand, business, or professional identity and can help you stand out from the competition. However, it's important to remember that a business card is not a replacement for networking and relationship building. Use it as a tool to complement your other marketing efforts and to make meaningful connections. When handing out your business card, be sure to do so with confidence and follow up with a handshake or other appropriate gesture. Be mindful of the nonverbal cues you are sending, as they can make a lasting impression just as your business card will. Overall, a well-designed and informative business card can be an invaluable asset for anyone looking to build their brand or advance their career. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a business card that effectively communicates your value proposition and helps you stand out from the crowd. That was it for today's video. We hope that you found it helpful and informative. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your feedback is very important to us and helps us improve our videos and provide you with the best possible content. We would love to hear your thoughts on today's video, so please feel free to leave a comment below. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on any of our latest videos. We would love to have you join our community of tech enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.